It can be frustrating when your PS5 won't turn off when you want it to. Here's what to do when that happens. Try restarting your PS5 on the console instead of on the controller. Restarting from the console forces an immediate shutdown. Before you get started, remove any accessories you may have connected. Press and hold the power button until it turns off. Then press the power button again to turn it back on. Is your PS5 not turning off regularly? Some issues may be caused by out-of-date software. Try updating your PS5 system software in safe mode. Before doing any updates, make sure your files are backed up to your PlayStation Plus cloud storage or an external drive. Once your files are backed up, turn off your console. Press and hold the power button, releasing it after you hear 2 beeps. Connect a controller via USB cable and press the PS button on the controller. Select Update System Software from the Safe Mode menu. If updating the software didn't work, try rebuilding your PS5 database. This isn't as scary as it sounds, and it doesn't remove any game progress or change your settings. It basically reorganizes the database. Make sure to back up before you do this as well. Turn off your console. Press and hold the power button, releasing it after you hear 2 beeps. Connect a controller via a USB cable and press the PS button on the controller. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. If you're still having trouble, it may be time for a factory reset. Doing this will reset your console to factory settings, deleting all saved content. So if you haven't already, back up your files. Turn off your console. Press and hold the power button, releasing it after you hear 2 beeps. Connect a controller via a USB cable and press the PS button on the controller. Select Reset PS5. Once the console restarts, sign into the PlayStation Network and finish setup. There's a few things you can try to prevent future PS5 freezing issues. Turn off your console regularly, and make sure to do this properly by pressing the PS button on the controller. You can also free up space by removing any games you're not playing. For professional help fixing and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.